Big Fly.
Multimedia.
I shot a quick time-lapse video today. Thought I'd share it with you. Check it out. It's about 6 hours of a snowstorm that came through today. Shot it, taking a photograph about every 1 minute. Brought those photos, about 380 photos, into Photoshop, put them into an animation timeline, and animated it that way. It's about 12 seconds long. I'll probably trim it down to 10 because there's some junk garbage footage at the end. It's 24 frames a second playback. Pretty simple, but I thought it was pretty neat. Check it out.